how can I lower my Amazon PPC costs without hurting performance? This is a question that often comes up. I am glad that it's still coming up. It means it's still relevant. The first way for us to lower our costs without lowering performance is going to be zooming out for clarity and see what works, what doesn't. As simple as it sounds, this is not usually the first thing that some people would just cut down on everything, and then they would wonder why it's not working anymore. So what we do here in the agency, we have this habit and this system actually of, all right, let's zoom out for clarity. Whatever works right now, whatever is within the strategy, from brand keywords, we're never going to lower ad spend just because we have data that shows if we're not spending, our competition is going to spend on our terms. So that is a budget that's always fixed. A budget that can lower your cost is how much are you going to create new campaigns and for how long are you going to let them run until you're gathering the data. And that goes hand in hand with how many of them are you going to create. Because if you're creating the one campaign, it's going to give you different outcome from creating 10 campaigns and hoping that each of them is going to work as you expected. So that is also an optimization strategy, thinking through for this month, realistically, if I want to go by 10%, how many new campaigns should I be creating to test to gain additional market share? How would you lower your CPC costs without hurting your performance? We would always lower things where we have only 1 to 2 orders. Those are the things that are going to be no-brainers first attacked, just because it's not bringing us enough volume. Now, when it comes down to campaigns that are generating most of your sales, clear example, you have 3 campaigns. One campaign is generating 50 sales, the second campaign is generating 2 sales, the third campaign is generating maybe 10 sales. We would first prioritize the one that is generating 2 sales, then the 10 sales, and then the one that is 50. Unless the campaign that is generating 50 sales is really highly unprofitable and we don't see growth organically as well.